Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one's all about a blue strip of paper being shown above part of a ruler. What is the length of 6 of these strips of paper? Well, the first thing to notice is the gap that goes from 16 centimetres to 17 centimetres on the ruler is 1 centimetre. But we've got this extra bit at the end here, which is 2 little gaps. So that must be worth 0.2 centimetres. And we've got 1 little gap here at the other end, which is 0.1 centimetres. And we know that each gap is worth 0.1 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little gaps between the 1 centimetre. And 1 centimetre divided by 10 is 1 millimetre. So in 1 millimetre it is 0.1 centimetres. So basically, if we put these gaps together, we've got 0.1, 1 whole 1, and 0.2, which makes 1.3 centimetres. Now the question doesn't say what's the length of the strip, although that is the length of one of the strips, 1.3 centimetres. It says what is the length of 6 of these. So we want to do this 1.3 multiplied by 6. Let's see what that gets us. 6 times 3 is 18. Put the 8 in, carry the 1. 6 ones is 6, plus 1 is 7. Don't forget your decimal point. So your final answer is 7.8 centimetres. 6 of these strips of paper are 7.8 centimetres long.